The hidden reason you feel off balance. You are walking through your home, maybe holding a cup of coffee, when you suddenly notice something. You are focusing more on keeping your balance than enjoying the moment. Maybe you grip the chair as you pass. Maybe you hesitate before stepping off a curb. You are not weak. You are not clumsy, but something feels off. Most people believe it is just aging. But here is the truth. You are not losing balance because you're getting older. You are losing it because your brain, joints, and inner ear have stopped communicating properly. It is not wear and tear. It is disconnection. And the good news is, you can reconnect. Today, you will learn 3 simple exercises that retrain your brain and body in just minutes a day. These are not just movements. They are signals. Signals that tell your body it is time to wake up again. Exercise 1. Heel walks. This first one may look silly, but it works fast. Heel walks rebuild your brain and body connection from the ground up. As you age, your muscles do not weaken first. Your neural pathways do. These are the communication lines that help you lift your toes as you walk. When that signal fades, your foot drags. You trip on rugs or uneven ground, and your brain starts to fear movement. Heel walks fix that. When you lift your toes and walk on your heels, you activate a key muscle that reminds your brain how to stay alert. It rebuilds what scientists call sensoromotor mapping. That means your brain starts tracking and adjusting your movement again in real time. Just 60 seconds a day can make a real difference. You will notice stronger steps and better control. This is not just exercise. This is brain training disguised as walking. Exercise 2. Side-to-side weight shifts. Most people think balance means standing still. But real balance comes from how smoothly you shift when life pulls you in different directions. Every day you move forward and backward, but almost never sideways. That is why a small twist or turn can make you lose footing. Side-to-side weight shifts fix this hidden weakness. When you gently sway your weight from one foot to the other, you reactivate your stabilizer muscles in your hips and core. You also reawaken proprioception, your body's internal GPS that tells your brain exactly where you are in space. After a few days of practice, people often say they feel more grounded and confident. It is not because their muscles changed overnight. It is because their awareness returned. And awareness brings control. Control brings freedom. Exercise 3. Head turns on one leg. This one trains your inner GPS. Your vestibular system. It is what helps your brain stay balanced when your eyes and body move at the same time. Try standing on one leg and gently turning your head from side to side. It looks simple, but it wakes up deep systems inside your body. Your brain begins to sync signals from your eyes, ears, and joints all at once. Over time, this builds calm, fast reflexes that prevent falls. You are teaching your body how to stay steady even when the world moves. You are training confidence, not just balance. Your body still listens. These 3 simple exercises may take only minutes a day, but what they really do is remind your body that it still remembers how to protect you. Your balance is not disappearing. It is waiting to be reconnected. Every heel walk, every weight shift, every steady head turn is a message to your nervous system. I am still here. I still trust my body. Start small. Go slow. Stay consistent. Balance is not about age. It is about communication between your brain and your body. Rebuild that trust, and you will move through life with confidence again.
because you are not
Because you are not declining, you are reconnecting.